have been chosen. You have been chosen. You have been chosen.
You have been chosen.
You have been chosen. You have been chosen. Chosen.
Jack, package.
Thank you.
Yo! What? Whoa! Okay. Uh-oh. Sorry.
Okay, because wanted you to look at some numbers.
Touchdown in LA. Only got 3 hours of sleep, but it's gonna be a good day, right, Nicole? I would just keep going straight.
How?
What?
How?
Oh, is that blocking it, or is he backing up right now? So this is where we got taken. Probably the sketchiest looking drop-off point ever. This is gonna be a fun day. So we're actually in an E46 right now. Blake, can you help me give a rundown on what's about to happen?
So today, we're gonna totally mess up this BMW. We're gonna do parkour around this whole shipyard, and we're gonna sketch behind this car too. It must be fun. So we're actually filming for an Amazon Prime show right now, but I'll fill you in a little more details as we go. But we gotta go pick up one of our friends.
That was a fail.
Loser, we're going shopping.
Get out of me. Hey dude, it's kind of sketchy back here, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought.
Long time no see. In addition to Chris here doing skateboarding stuff, there's some dudes from a channel called Store that's doing some crazy parkour stuff on these containers. So we're gonna have some fun today. So we're all gonna be wearing a suit. So from first person, it all looks like we're the same person, but we'll all be doing different cool stuff. It's so crazy watching them move around containers. They're setting up a cool layout for the parkour dudes. So we're filming a really cool promo video.
And it was really funny because Chris is very tan and dark. So they put foundation on his hands to make him a lot whiter because...
That's makeup.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, if you told that to me, I wouldn't know what that is.
I think you'd figure it out.
Foundation. I would think you're talking about how they build houses.
Oh.
Did they put concrete on him? How do I look? Look good? How high do I have to button it?
Button it all.
Honey, you're missing some.
Why is there a gun in the back seat?
Don't worry about it. Don't question that. Don't worry. So you're gonna be like here. You're getting up like this.
Okay.
These guys are driving. You're gonna grab his head. Just kind of do like that. Like that.
Oh, so, okay. So don't actually.
Don't actually throw his head. He'll make the movement himself. So he doesn't have to do that. Just like that. And then go.
Grab it, push it a little bit.
So he's gonna get really scared. He's gonna stop the car, and then he's gonna jump out and run away. You're gonna go up there and take his place and start driving.
Okay. All one cut?
All one cut.
Here we go.
Send it. Oh my gosh.
You alright?
Yeah, it's cool. Okay. It's cool.
Who threw it in a neutral?
What?
So that it didn't stall. This is my favorite part. Adam's going to scout out what road to drift. Cute little E46. I had to wear his wedding ring, so, since not all of them have it on.
You might want to actually seatbelt back there, otherwise
We do.
Yeah, we decided to.
I don't really care about your safety.
We're ahead of you.
I just don't want it to like affect the car. Okay.
Yeah.
Adam, that was the first time I've been in the back seat. Okay. I don't know, but I'm getting out.
Oh, my phone's calling 911.
Oh shit.
It's done that multiple times.
That crazy.
It's literally our cops.
Phone's just been like.
No, it's like it's done that noise multiple times. It's because it's wedged in here and it's holding down the two buttons, so it's doing the SOS.
Oh well.
Does that mean the cops are gonna come?
Nah. If you can't.
I may have accidentally called the police. You know when you hold down the button. Alright, I've got to say this was a lot of fun. I didn't really know what we were going to get into, what car it was going to be, or what I was going to be able to do. But definitely a lot of fun, and I'm stoked to be able to show you guys this little behind the scenes footage. You can catch Jack Ryan on Prime Video on August 31st. I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to watch a full length of what we filmed today. It was a lot of fun, and enjoy.